Hello YouTube, it's Stop Talking Back here again, and today I'll be teaching you how to remove the background using the application called Preview. It's extremely easy, easier than Photoshop, and I highly recommend it if your image that you want to remove the background is not too complicated. So first of all, that you have to do is that you have to choose the image that you would like to remove the background, open it up, use in the application Preview, and then you go to the markup section and choose the Instant Alpha 2. This 2 highlights the background portion that you want to remove, and then right click and drag it. Make sure you do it slowly so that it don't go over the text that you want to keep. And after it highlights the portion that you want to remove, you just press delete. There you go, now the background is removed. But you can see that there's a little more detail of the sky that's left. You'll do the same thing again, right click and drag it. There you go, make the red portion highlights the part that you want to remove, and then press delete. There you go. And let's say you only want to keep the coin, and you want the background, everything else to be transparent or some sort. You just highlight everything and leave the coin the way it is. You don't need to care about other components of the image, you just want to keep the coin the way it is, and then you press delete. There you go. And then the next thing you can do, if you try to drag it again, you see it only covers several components of the image, but you want to keep the coin only. So what you can do is that you'll go to the square selection tool. Square selection tool, and then you only select the portion that contains the coin. And if you want to keep only the coin, you'll press Command K. There you go, now the only coin is left in this image. And if you try to close it and open it again, you'll see that the thing left is a coin and the background is transparent. Thanks for watching, guys. If it's helpful, please give me a like, subscribe, and you'll get the latest content from me. Thanks for watching.